All right, you guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just a quick little video for my bedroom. So I got this package in the mail, and this is from Klein Tradesman Club. I redeemed my points for a item, and I can't wait to show you guys. Probably already seen it in the video title. Oh, snap. What we got here is the Klein Tools Compact Laser Distance Measure. So if you guys haven't seen these things are actually amazing. I use one of these at work very often. Use it today several times, but this works for long distances greater than 25 foot, like when you're using a long tape measure and you run out of room. I mean, you could get like a 100-foot tape measure, but no one uses those. But this is freaking amazing. So what you do with this is go ahead and put the batteries in it, and as you can see here, it shows you the distance. So when you hit the button, it turns on the laser, and then it tells you a distance of how far it is to the object that it's hitting. So we are back. I did take off the cover, and I did record this already, but it sucked. So I'm doing a better version for you guys and save you guys some time. So anyways, I got the cover off. I got the batteries put in. I used a little screwdriver in my bedroom that I got from Gennard Tools. Not the best, but it worked pretty good. So got the job done, and it was free, so I appreciate that. But I definitely prefer Klein over everybody. So anyways, moving on. We got this. You turn it on by pushing the button, and you can turn it off by holding it for 3 seconds, just like that. So you press it once, and it turns on, and it starts pulling measurements automatically. So to the ceiling right there it looks like it's in inches mode, so 74 inches. If I put my hand above the laser, you'll see it's 5 inches, and then so forth. If you move it too fast, it'll say it won't get an accurate measurement. You'll just see those dots or whatever like that. But once it stops, you'll pull your measurement. If you want to record the measurement, just click it once, and then it will store it. And then once you start a new one, it'll go below it, and then I'll do that 3 times. So if I want to record that measurement again, and then get another measurement, then I'll have the 2 previous measurements, and then my new one on the bottom. As you can see, it's still changing right there. So we went over turning it on, turning it off, and then went over, I actually haven't gone over, hold this down. I think you have to hold that for a few seconds. But anyways, you can change it from feet and inches, only inches, and meters. So I usually leave it in inches and meters. So you hold it for a few seconds, but if you hold it for 3, it turns it off. So you gotta be just the right amount. And then if you click it twice, you can change it from the base top to get the measurement from the top of the device, or from the base end, which is down here, to pull your measurement. I like to do it from the base end. So I turn the sound off, clicking it 3 times pulls up the sound, so I have that off right now. The sound icon is off, the battery over there, so when you need to change the batteries, it'll say replace batteries. And then over here, you'll see the device, and that tells you if you're measuring with the laser from the top of the device right here, or the bottom of the device right there. So you'll hear it not beeping right now, which is nice, so I'll probably just leave that off. That's pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to remember the button pushes once to turn it on, 3 seconds to turn it off. It's like 1 or 2 seconds to go into change the inches, feet, or meter mode, and then click it 3 times, it turns the sound off. And then the other one, the base one, I think that was 2 clicks to turn the base, to change the measurement from the base top or the base bottom. And I think that's everything. So I think I covered it all. Leave it in whatever you need. Basically, all you ever have to do is basically turn it on, and then it lasers automatically. You get your measurement. You can stop it if you want to, like I said, to pull your measurement. But I always just have it going, and then I pull it to my measurement, and then I just mark it. So basically just turn it on and off. It's really easy once you get your settings dialed in. So if you haven't used these already, they are seriously amazing. I love these things. They're very accurate. And yeah, I can't say the longest distance that I've used it, but it's over probably 100 feet or something like that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 100 is pushing it, but I know it was a really long ways, like across the job site. So no, I'd probably say at least 100, 150 feet. So anyways, hopefully you guys found this video useful, and yeah, if you guys want to see more about it, maybe some more real world examples just besides hitting the ceiling or anything like that, I can give you guys some examples or anything like that. But if you haven't already, check out K Sparky's video on this on Instagram. He has a video while using his tape measure and then using this way faster and just as accurate. So check that out if you haven't already. More videos tomorrow going over income. Granted, my coworker gives me her pay stub. I will go over the 40-hour paycheck with the new raise for the union. I'm going to be working 50 hours instead of 48, so I'll drop a 50-hour paycheck video next Thursday, and then I'll probably do a video going over income for January, income, debt ratio, and one other thing possibly. Maybe just total income or something like that. So stay tuned on the secondary channel, Daily Finances, if you guys want to see some of that. This also turns off after 3 minutes of not using it. So once I'm done pulling my measurement, I usually just throw it in my pocket. But like I said, you can turn it off now if you just hold the power button for 3 seconds. I didn't know that until today. But the battery lasts a really long time. I've always just thrown it in my pocket after using it, and I've been using it for months now, and it's still on a full battery, I think. So anyways, that's it. See you guys in the next one tomorrow. And yeah, God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.